Hi, this is Gary from Mad Titan's Lair again. This time we're going to go a different route, and we are going to actually do some Marvel / superhero craft ideas. And today we are going to build our very own symbiote suits. A Venom and Carnage symbiote. With me today is the lovely Mackenzie and my other daughter Hannah, and they each have picked a color, and we are going to start to build some symbiote suits. Bum bum bum. Since I'm not the professional, we're going to go to the professionals on this.
I got the red glitter glue for Carnage.
Alright.
I've got black glitter glue for Venom.
Awesome. So what's the first step we do?
First you open up the cap, and then you squeeze it into your bottle, like the container that you're making the slime in.
Ooh, oh, sparkly suits. These are cosmic symbiote suits. That sounds really gross.
Oh, yours looks gross. Look at mine.
Oh man.
I can still get more. I just know it. Oh, look at Hannah's. It's like a black galaxy.
Yeah, it does. This is gonna be cool. You got it all?
Mine got gold glitter in it. I'm almost done. I'm almost done. This takes forever.
Okay, Kizzy.
Okay, I'm done.
Alright. So, what's the next step after the glue?
Well, first you have to add the activator so that it's actually real slime.
Oh, so this is the cosmic activator. Let's see what this is. Okay, this is the magic cosmic activator to bring life to our suits.
Here, you go first.
Wait, it's probably not open.
What are we doing?
She has to see if it's open.
I think it's already open.
Yep. Okay. We're each going to mix our own.
Oh, that's all it took with a little squirt?
No, you start off with a little bit.
Okay.
You have to mix fast, too.
Mixing fast. Oh my gosh, you're like Quicksilver the Flash.
I might need more, Hannah.
I don't know how to make.
You always have to mix fast.
And what is happening? Is it getting thick? And
Mine's getting thick. See?
that still looks like glue.
It does.
Okay, this is hard. Mine's still like glue.
Gooey.
This is going to take forever. I just
Can
know
I put
it.
some more in there?
Yeah. Okay, that might be enough.
Why isn't it that?
Hi, Jacob. Get some of We don't want to overactivate it. It's actually like a thing to
We need
actually.
baking soda.
Keep mixing.
You can actually overactivate it if you put too much of
It's
this.
still
Well, then what happens if you overactivate it?
It comes watery and goopy. Just watery.
Keep mixing. Maybe it'll get thicker.
Yeah, mine's starting to get thick.
Mine's not. Mine's.
See?
That was what it was before.
No? Well, mine's getting thick, at least. Shaving cream.
Oh, you gotta mix.
Shake, shake, shake.
Oh, that was quick.
The shaving cream isn't working.
No, this is empty.
Ew.
Okay,
Just mix it.
then mix it. Oh,
Wait, is it really trying? Hey, it's turning!
I told you. Mix, mix, mix.
I
Hurry.
think we added too much of this.
We'll see.
But we still have
Is it
some
really
more.
working though?
Yeah, it is. Look.
Seems like it's mixing to me.
Should I
She's stirring.
Yes.
Should I try?
Go ahead.
I'm scared.
Well, it's like turning pink.
Yeah, it gets lighter.
Well, now it's pink Carnage. You probably don't need as much as I sprayed in hers then. Like that.
Okay, Hannah's doesn't matter. It'll just still be a little bit lighter, right?
Just feel like a gray.
Yeah, but who cares? Still makes slime. Does it seems...
Oh, man.
Mine's actually turning out.
Definitely starting to look like Venom.
Venom's getting graded.
Sure, I'm gonna try a little bit of activator now.
Or you could do, like I said, put a little bit of dish soap in and see what happens.
Okay, go.
I'm gonna see if I can just do it without that.
Okay.
Well,
They're
now it'll
bubbles.
smell good. Oh, look at that. Look at it go. It is definitely becoming...
It's getting less sticky
what's
too.
it get? I'm gonna get something upstairs to make mine
Are you
smell
gonna
good.
What?
I'm getting something.
Get lotion yet?
No, I'm not gonna put lotion. Dad, you keep on mixing them.
I can't. Okay, go. Hurry up.
I'm gonna get something to make mine smell good.
Now we want it to smell good.
Yes, I do.
Look at that. Venom suit.
It's not that fluffy though.
What do you do to make it fluffy?
Shaving cream, actual shaving cream.
Okay, I'm going to add some smelling stuff. Just
It is
you should like do
definitely
like just like a drop if you have the stuff.
And what's Carnage gonna smell like now?
It's gonna smell like strawberries.
He's gonna smell like strawberries, and he's pink now.
Yeah, because we had actually used too much shaving cream.
Oh man, that is becoming slime.
Hang tight.
And
Can I
I-
use my hands?
Go for it.
Go for it. I don't care, but I'm not. Mine's actually turning out. Very good.
Ew.
Let's keep it this is actually like an activator. I'm gonna add
No, I.
No, Kenzie, no.
Why does it smell good? Okay, that's
It's a
enough.
girl Carnage now.
Yeah, it's a girl Carnage now. That's a good name for it. Now it's a girl instead of a boy. Because it's supposed to be a boy, but now I made it into a girl. Because it's pink
Oh my
now.
gosh. Can't believe you're touching Venom. He's gonna get you.
He is.
Ah!
He's attached to my finger.
Hands get turned into Venom. Daddy, can I be in some other videos with you? Because this is fun.
Well, let's focus on this video for now. So how's it coming out, Hannah?
Good. It's. Oh.
Really, Hannah? That's Hannah's fault. Yeah. Hey, are you sure you don't want to?
I'm good. Venom doesn't need to smell like spray.
She said Venom doesn't need to smell like strawberries.
It is getting. Careful.
I'll add a little bit of this now.
Ew.
Stop! I got it! Okay, that's it. I added just a little.
I think we're just making a hodgepodge of all sorts of stuff going in these things.
Yeah.
Experimenting with slime.
We're experimenting.
Oh.
You sure you guys don't work for the Oz Corporation?
What is that?
Oh my gosh, Kenzie.
What?
The people who look like Venom.
Yeah!
Mine's actually coming together.
Mine's coming together too.
It's actually coming off my hands.
Mine's like I'm gonna add a little bit of this.
The dish soap works.
Ah!
Ah! I just had one finger.
Venom's taking over her body. Now she's gonna be Venom forever. Yeah, you sure you don't want to use a spoon?
I'm good. Once you get your fingers in, you get your fingers.
I think you need more.
Oh my gosh, Dad.
Venom needs to be cleaned.
Yeah. Add some of this in. Wait, should I add some of this in? It'll turn purple. What is it?
It's not that one, it's this one.
Okay.
Ready?
I'm adding
Wait.
this one in.
Oh no, that's the right one.
I'm scared. Just add a little bit, okay? That's it! Wonder what colors this is going to turn out.
How
Pink
does
and
yours
blue.
look now? Yours is definitely venomized. Kenzie's is definitely look at that.
Like
I bet you
Venom.
can squeeze that out with your hands now.
No thanks. Still going with the spoon.
Why?
Okay, mine's just like failing. Abby.
Mine isn't.
Ooh, this is actually
And
like
then tomorrow it's gonna be,
activator.
like, liquid.
Look at mine. It's like, wow, like
Just
soapy.
Well, that means when you play with it, your hands will be clean.
Venom needs to be clean, like my dad said, right? Look, it's actually turning out.
Let's see. Stretch it. Oh.
It's supposed to be like the more shaving cream, I think the more like less
It's getting
sketchy. But
really hard
this
to
is
mix
getting-
now.
I'm
Venom is definitely
not going in
I'm gonna
yet
need it now.
because I'm gonna add a little bit of this.
Oh.
Trying to add some of this in. I love this stuff. Love that blue stuff. But next I'm gonna add some blue
So can you give a big ball of it in your hand now? Or is it going to stick all to your
It's gonna
hand?
stick all to my hand still.
Let's
Still.
just try.
stuff.
I'm gonna wait a little tiny bit longer.
It's actually turning into slime Hannah. Woo!
Oh, it feels so weird mixing into soap into slime.
I feel like it.
It's definitely coming together. It's
Yeah,
definitely
mine is
forming.
totally. Mine's like blending.
It takes a lot to make a symbiote.
This one. Okay.
Oh my gosh.
How am I supposed to get off the spoon without it sticking?
That's why we use plastic spoons.
Yeah, because we don't really use it. Right, Hannah?
Nope.
From my J's. Okay, I think I'm gonna add a little bit.
Oh my gosh, that is totally Venom. Oh my gosh.
That is totally Venom, Hannah.
I made perfect slime.
No, you didn't. I made the perfect slime.
Look at that Venom.
Wait. No, I'm not gonna add any of this because then it
Careful.
was like into a different smell. Okay, I feel like I'm about to get it in
look
with
at
my
that.
hands. I feel like I'm getting.
Do your hands because now.
It's okay.
Yeah, yours is coming together.
Okay, first of all, I'm gonna add a little bit of this, not going in with my hands. And remember to watch to the end, right, Daddy? Watch to the end of the video. This is like turning soapy.
Alright guys, now that our Venom suit and Venom and Carnage suit are done, let's see what they look like, shall we? Oh, they are stretchy.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I think we're changing this one to Pinky instead of Carnage, or to Pink Carnage.
Because we are actually
Also
put in too much shaving cream.
Yeah, but look at that. Look
But
how
I still like the
stretchy.
color.
It definitely looks like a symbiote suit.
Ooh, it actually smells like
And
this.
it
so-
honestly smells like strawberries. Oh my god, the suits took him over! Ah!